Hello, I'm Ricardo Vargas, and I'm very excited to share something revolutionary with you today. I get to introduce you to a project that will change the world of project management. We present to you Piemoto.ai, your AI-powered assistant for all things project management. Piemoto is not just an AI assistant. It's an integration of advanced AI technology with the treasure of knowledge from decades on project management experience. In this initiative, I have collaborated with my dear friend and one of the most respected thought leaders in the area, Antonio Nieto Rodriguez. He is the renowned author of HBR Project Management Handbook, and it's like me, a former chairman of PMI. Our work, together with a brilliant developing team from Denmark, Chile, Portugal, and Brazil, has harnessed the capabilities of GPT-4 and melded it with an extensive library of content we have accumulated through our careers in project management. Our aim is to become the powerhouse of generative AI for project management. No matter your sector, delivery approach, or even experience. From preparing yourself to the CAPM and PMP exams, to get critical insights of front-end loading processes for the mining industry, Piemoto is the place to connect. We are thrilled to invite you to be part of this revolution in project management. And let's work together to bring our project management skills and results to the next level.